Hi everyone, I'm Jonas, the CEO and founder of MeetingPackage. This year our team was beyond boundaries, and when we look at what we achieved together, that team couldn't be more accurate. We had an amazing year. We welcomed customers of all sizes, from independent properties to large enterprise brands. We're extremely proud to partner with Accor as their exclusive provider of meetings and events distribution, and to support Whitbread, known to many as Premier Inn, in their digitalization of group and M&T sales. A huge thank you also to all of our existing customers who continue to grow with us and trust our new products and features. Today, our contracted customers represent over 19,000 venues around the world. Not all are live yet, but scaling that live venue count is one of our main priorities for the coming years. We also quietly raised $5 million of new capital to accelerate engineering, strengthening our AI roadmap, and support our global growth. We're building strong momentum, and we're investing to fuel it even more. Of course, one of the biggest highlights this year was what we delivered on the product side. So I'll hand it over to Chan to share more.
Thanks, Jonas. This year in product, we launched entirely new modules and expanded what MeetingPackage can do for hotels around the world. We released a brand new user management system and a venue groups, giving hotels better structure, visibility, and control. We also launched a completely new eProposal with welcome messages, modern branding, legally binding digital signatures, enhanced rate controls, and a significantly improved experience for customers. We built several major modules from the ground up: a complete rooming list solution, full taxes and fees management, a new bedroom content management system, and a fully rebuilt supply order management redesigned for accuracy and post-departure workflows. These weren't just updates, these were entirely new features delivered this year. We also began executing our AI roadmap. This included AI that turns emails into structured inquiries, AI that builds and sends proposals. We also launched our new AI phone agent, collaboration with Vaya. It converts hotel calls into MeetingPackage inquiries instantly. This is the first step towards fully automated meetings and event sales. Behind the scenes, we strengthened performance and reliability across the platform, preparing us to support thousands of live venues every single day. I couldn't be more proud of what our product and engineering teams have delivered. That being said, product is only part of the story. Our partnerships also played a vital role this year. So I'll hand it over to Tanya to share more.
This year we focused on strengthening the partnerships that help venues reach more bookers and streamline their operations. We expanded our presence across major venue sourcing platforms to give our customers broader global reach. We have enhanced our integration with Cvent, Venue Directory, and Event Logic, leading providers in the segment and key demand partners for MeetingPackage. They now support both instant and RFP booking methods for our customers while giving their planners faster and more accurate access to availability. On the operations side, we deepened our partnerships with sales and catering systems like Opera Awesome, Event Tempo, and Baku, and expanded into APAC through our integration with Ivy. We also advanced the automation of group business through integrations with leading PMSs such as Opera Cloud and News. This reducing manual work and ensuring consistent content, pricing, and availability across platforms. Finally, our integration with Salesforce opened new opportunities by enabling venues to better manage and sync contacts through the RFP process. These partnerships support our mission to make meetings and events easier to book, distribute, and manage.
As we look ahead, one thing is certain: we're not planning to slow down. Next year, we're accelerating on all fronts: faster and smoother onboarding, more automation throughout the product, better self-service management, and countless improvements that make MeetingPackage even more powerful and even easier for hotels to use. There is so much more we want to build and so much more we want to transform within this industry. And honestly, I can't wait to get started. But first, let's take a moment to relax, recharge, and enjoy the holidays. To all of our customers, partners, team members, and investors, thank you for an extraordinary year. Rest well, because next year we're going even further beyond boundaries.